Hello everyone, welcome to Positive Solution, and today I'll be showing you how to convert any video format into MP4 format, that too by using VLC media player. So first you need to open the VLC media player and click on this media and convert or save option. So you have an option here to add the video you want. See here, I'll show you it supports a wide range of formats. You could select the video and click on the open now. So what next is to click on this convert and save and select the destination where you wanna save the video. So next is to click on this save and start. So it's gonna process and it takes some time. So yep, it's done guys. So if you found this video, please make sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment if you have any doubts. So thanks for watching guys.